Hey there, I wanted to show everyone this new lightning heater. It's a side heated only crucible with black polish in it. Instead of the clear polish for the V5, we used a black polish just to give a new look to this type of heater. Um, it uses a TCR value of 130. I'm using 28 watts to get to 500 degrees. And I'm going to or 480, put it up to 500 now. And I'm going to just show you how well this thing produces vapor. Here's an old Quest I attached it to. You can hook it to any Quest. It's kind of hard to wire in. And you can also use it on a V5 base. It's not going to look pretty as far as how the wires get attached to the base, but it's very effective, and you can use it as a bottomless banger. Now this cup's a little bit taller than the V5 cup, so it won't fit with the mouthpiece of the V5. The tubes will be hitting it. It will work if you don't put the mouthpiece all the way on, but we do recommend it with a bottomless banger, and I'm going to just show you how well it hits right now. So I'm putting it on right now. We got it heating up, and here it goes. I like this cup. It's pretty easy to clean. It's a lot smaller, keeps the splash down for people that are having splashing with the smaller cups. This one really does a good job, and it doesn't show like little black marks if you end up charring it or whatever. And it's not going to affect the flavor, but your OCD is killing you. This will help with this new black polish. It kind of doesn't show any of those marks, but you can still do a burn off cleaning at 30 watts with this. Just keep an eye on your live resistance, and make sure it doesn't heat up too quick when you're cleaning it. Anyways, I hope you're all having a great day. Take care.